Test natin. WE TRX Kappa 5.1 silver. So, naka metal slide. Metal yung frame. 45 ACP. With under rail for attachment. So, naka fiber optic sights na rin front and rear sight. Threaded outer barrel. For accessory attachment like a tracer, flashlight, tracer, compensator, or suppressor. Then yung under rail niya, ayan, pwede kayo maglagay ng attachments like laser flashlight. So naka fiber optic sights yung front and rear sight. Then may magwell na rin. So magazine capacity is 26 rounds, standard magazine. So guys, ganito yung BBs natin. 6mm. Then may kasama na ring optic plates. Ang compatible dito is Doctor Sight. Sige, test natin. By the way, ang price niya is 7,500. So may less siya na 500. So 7,000 na lang. Sige, test natin. Chrono check. 356. 351. Yan. So, hindi yata siya na-lubricant or na-lubricate. By the way, yung safety niya, ito. So, ambi safety yan. And hindi mo siya maaakyat pag sample. Ayan. Pag hindi siya naka-hammer down. Huwag yung pipilitin na kasi masisira yan. Okay? So, for more details, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby PH. Thank you mga boss.